This video suggests an alcoholic liver disease diet to get rid of fatty liver naturally at home.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
The liver performs the chemical reactions in the body and helps us to fight with the toxins and harmful substances as soon as they enter your body. Imagine, what if the liver stops performing actively and your body is stuck with toxins? You will lead a lifestyle compromising your health and immunity. To stay away from such risk, try natural liver disorders supplements that are totally natural and risk-free to be consumed on a regular basis. Risks of liver disorders. The optimum level of liver functioning important for your overall health, and if you fail to take foods to improve liver function, then chances are high, sooner or later you will end up dealing with any of these liver disorders. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Hepatitis C. Hepatitis B. Cirrhosis of the liver. Alcoholic hepatitis. Hepatitis A. Hemochromatosis. Natural liver disorders supplements can help you fight with the toxic buildup in your body, which is the main culprit behind the problem. Not only this, but you also need to follow a particular diet during liver disorders. Foods to improve liver function. Try to increase the intake of foods that are good for your liver. The diet during liver disorders must include high fiber plants, whole grain, lots of fruits and vegetables, coffee and beetroot juice, foods rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, decreased intake of sugar, salt, trans fat, saturated fat. Stay away from refined carbohydrates that seriously damage your liver. Furthermore, you can try natural liver disorders supplements if you are unable to follow the strict diet regime and cannot find the foods to improve liver function. Best natural supplements for liver disorders. Regular detoxification of the liver is important to steer clear from liver disorders. Thus, it is recommended by experts to take a daily dose of the best natural supplements for liver disorders. Livoxil capsules are 100% natural and formulated with the rich properties of pitpata, chitrak, vaviding, punarnava, amla, himsara, and cansi, which makes it the best natural supplement for liver disorders. One of the most trusted herbal remedy, the pills are totally safe to be consumed for a prolonged duration. Livoxil capsules are free from side effects, and both men and women are taking it on a regular basis to deal with liver disorders. These natural supplements are helpful for hindered blood flow, problems of inflammation and liver enlargement, problems of anemia, gas, and hyperacidity, problems of jaundice and hepatitis, dull and aging skin. Liver damage can cause fatigue and chronic illness, which eventually affects the quality of your life. So stop living a miserable life if your liver is not performing well. Liver regeneration is possible with a simple home remedy. World's finest liver care supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Livoxil capsules at naturogain.com.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips. you.